Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. So today I'm gonna transform my desk into a completely new one. So earlier my desk was in a type of brown color type of shade and I didn't at all like that shade of my desk. So I thought why not to recreate it. So first of all I ordered this white color wallpaper from an online site and then I sticked it into the desk. Next is this DIY bookshelf which I made by my own and I placed it on the corner side of my table. Then I place some of my books and notebooks into that bookshelf. Then next I have ordered this storage, that is a stationary storage from Amazon. So I have been looking for such type of storage since so long and finally I got it on Amazon. So I purchased it and then I'm using it for my stationery kits, that is most properly or most commonly I'm using this storage box for my journaling items. First of all, I have kept some of my handmade washi tapes, then some tapes which I purchased, that is as you saw, this is a dispenser tape and some of the cute tapes. Next is this beads. It includes some googly eyes, some beads, some leaves and all other types of stuffs. Next is this craft punches. It is in a purple and a yellow color type of shade. I use it for my journaling and a white color flower. So it gives me a good type of vibes. That is why I'm using it. Next, I'm gonna store it. I'm going to place it in next to the bookshelf. And this is like a pen organizer which I made by my own. So the full video for this you can check out on my channel. I have uploaded how to make a pen organizer. That is the same, as you can see. It is the same pen organizer as I have uploaded on the video. So you can check out that video if you want to see. So next I've been using this pens and all to store my pens, brush pens, fine writers, some sketch pens, glitter pens and so many type of other things. That is, it includes some glue, white glue, that is most properly I use it for my journaling. Then other type of glue, next highlighter, whiteners, some tapes and etc etc. You can add it as you wish. Next I've been using this pen stand. This is also a handmade pen stand and I made it by my own DIY pen stand and I'm storing some of my pens into that. Next is this flower pot. This is an artificial one and an alarm clock and it's done. So this was altogether the my study table which I recreated it. So you guys let me know in the comment section if you liked today's video and do comment down if you want more such recreations and transformations, okay? And suggest me if I can add something more. And if you all guys want some of the more stationary videos, then do subscribe the channel and don't forget to share it with your friends. Okay, bye bye.